Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is me Umakan and Gopal. Here we are going to give you best water purifiers under 20,000 in India. If you are going to buy water purifier and in confusion which one to choose, you are in the right place. Before selecting it, keep in mind on few things. You want to purchase any of the listed products, please check the link given in the description. Number 1. Price. Number 2. Which technology the water purifier using to purify the water. Number 3. If you are going to buy it online, make sure you are reading the reviews of water purifier before making your final decision. So, considering all these factors, here we are going to review 10 best water purifiers under 20k. So without waiting, let's get into the video. Number 1. Kent Grand Plus Mineral Water Purifier. The double purification procedure of this removes the dissolved impurities like bacteria, chemicals, salt, virus, etc. and making sure the water is pure. Another essential feature of this best water purifier is purification of inlet water from all the sources. Less water wastage, good storage capacity. Number 2. LG Puricare Water Purifier. Do you know that LG stainless steel water storage tank has 94.4% less E. coli growth in 24 hours, less than plastic tanks? This makes the stainless steel storage tank safer than its plastic counterpart. The digital sterilization method provides the hygienic means of sterilizing the whole water bath, tank, faucet, etc. without using any other chemicals. Adds essential minerals. This purifier is one of the best purifier under 20k in India with 5 RO filtration systems. Number 3. Eureka Forbes Vanguard Water Purifier. The storage capacity of this water purifier is 7 liters. The triple protection of RO, UV, UF makes it pure and safe. The silver present in the chemi block removes all kind of waterborne diseases and dangerous microorganisms. Improves the taste of water. Number 4. Purit Ultima 10 liter water purifier. The water purifiers has 6 stages of purification using RO UV technology. Concerning the storage capacity, this best water purifier provides 10 liters of purified water storage tank, which is quite good. The purity indicator senses the water quality up to 5000 times each second. The autoflush feature will make sure the water membrane is automatically washed at regular intervals. Number 5. A.O. Smith Water Purifier. If you are looking for a best water purifier with superior technology and advanced production, go with A.O. Smith X8 Green RO. This purifier is from X8 Green series and provides 100% RO purified water and saves 2x water compared to ordinary RO water purifier. The Advanced Recovery Technology RART helps in saving about 9,000 liters of water each year. So you end up doing a bit for environment with assistance of water purifier. It uses less power consumption, 2 times water saving compared to standard RO systems available in the market. Number 6. Kent Grand 8-liter water purifier. The storage capacity of this water purifier is 8 liters. It is suitable for purifying tap or brackish water as well as the municipal corporation water. It has computer-controlled alert mechanism that displays the filter change and UV files alarm. The material of this best water purifier is made from ABS food grade plastic. Number 7. Purette Copper Plus Mineral 8-liter water purifier. The water purifies 7-stage purification, provides a pre-sediment filter, reverse osmosis membrane, mesh filter, UV reactor, etc. The purification capacity is 15 liters per hour. The LED indicator for storage tank empty or full, machine error and filter change. Besides copper water purifiers using a copper water tank, this is one of the best water purifier under 2K in India that utilizes unique technology based on electrochemical dissolution of copper present in the water. Number 8. Havells Max Alkaline Water Purifier. Do you know that Havells Max adds a stage of purification at the end? This is called Revitalizer cartridge. It would make the water healthy through reconstructing of water molecule. This process will make the purified water biologically active, thereby improving the hydration and mineral absorption. Compact design with option of flexible mounting. An automatic alert for purification, self-diagnostic, low water pressure, tank full, error alerts for SV, UV and pump failure is present in this water purifier. Storage capacity of this water purifier is 8 liters. Number 9. A.O. Smith Z8 Green 10-liter water purifier. Get your kitchen a stylish look with latest A.O. Smith Z8 Green RO water purifier available under 20K. The water purifier can store 10 liters of water where 9.2 liters are purified hot water regarding the storage capacity. You get hot purified water within a press of a button. The advanced recovery technology of this best water purifier helps save 2x water compared to ordinary RO water purifier. The advanced alerts for RO membrane and filter change. Intelligent digital displays. Water purifier adds the required minerals back to the water. Kent Superb Star 9-liter water purifier. The Kent Superb Star is one of the best purifier that uses a multi-stage purification process of RO, UV, UF, TDS. The unique feature of this is in-tank UV disinfection technology keeps the stored water germ-free. The storage capacity of this best water purifier is 9 liters, suitable for water from municipal and brackish tap water. So now we are in the conclusion part. Before you decide to purchase the best water purifier under 20K in India, check out necessary details. Make sure you are well versed in maintenance of our water purifier after sale, services of each of water purifiers. Plus, you have to check whether the best water purifier under 20K in India can remove dirt, diseases from water available at your home. So do extensive research and then purchase. you want to purchase any of the listed products, please check the link given in the description. Like, share, subscribe our video. Stay tuned to get more videos like this. Thank you.